The application we'll be using in this masterclass is called HYPATIA. Here I'll show you how to download and run it on the desktop at UCL system, and how to download and look at some example events. We're starting on the ZPath Masterclass web page. To find HYPATIA, we need to go to Identifying Particles, then Visualization with HYPATIA, then click on this download link. We don't want to open the file directly, we need to save it first, so I'll click OK. When that's finished downloading, it will be in the Downloads folder. I'd rather have it on the desktop, so I'm going to go to Downloads in the File Explorer, and I'm going to drag that file onto the desktop. Now I can close this window. Now it's downloaded it in the form of a zip file, which means multiple files all stored together as one, but we need to unpack this before we can run the program. So I right click it and go to Extract All. It asks where I want to extract it. I'm going to accept the default, which will create a new folder on the desktop. Let's click Extract. And it takes a little while to open all the files. But when that's finished, I can see that I've got a new folder on the desktop, and it also automatically opens that for me. Now the file we want to run is this one, called HYPATIA 7.4 Masterclass, which is an executable jar file. I can just double click that, and it will launch the HYPATIA application. And there are other videos available which will show you how to use the HYPATIA program. So what I'm going to do now is go straight back to the web browser and download some example events to look at. So let's go to Identifying Events, and then Practice, and then this link that says events which are stored here. If I download that file called exercise2_z.zip, again that will be saved in the Downloads folder. This time I think I'll just leave it there. To actually read those example events into HYPATIA, I go to the File menu, click Read Event Locally, and then I need to find the zip file that I've just downloaded. It's not this one in the Events directory. I need to go to Downloads, and there it is, exercise2_z.zip. So I can select that and click Open. And this is the first event in that file. I can go through the rest of those events by clicking Next Event, or I can go back with Previous Event, and I can practice looking at these events and working out what's going on.